Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills Ubederu District Election Officer Abilash Baranwal ulai ke jengiro ke officer bagi nong tray ketenat election ke dikot jeng sen pertai ba lapenya bet penyariti ekakam keban penbet thamai kituk kerteng jeng tak vote apa ke special intensive revision ulakan tu ginong shong East Khasi Hills bakin kemi benia ek draft electoral roll ke bela penyi ban pet yodam kinu kena ke jeng duna ban pendrong iki kerteng jeng tak vote ke badai hok bat ban kedau la dadan kinu kijing penmi ke babakla kani ke digalat ke bagi board ke badai kemi kinyo ban penbet ikinu kena kijing duna ne jeng bakla lagi de gibriu ke balaklat ke belakan riak jakan ne ke wiki dau nalor kani la kenturu iksengsan pertai kinong ilam shnong ban pedon kampura kani kijing penlong ya ke claims and objections Kibor punya election gila banjur kejeng pet ngor bak kejeng husiar haki shinong kita kene ke por jeng kejeng penbet ikinu kenu kejeng bakla bat day ban IT ki kot kislai ke bakut bat kibala ban shania kenang ban yok ban penmi ya ka electoral roll ke bapura.
Today I believe that it's one of the milestones that we have completed of this entire special intensive revision exercise. I take this at the very outset. I would like to appreciate wholeheartedly the brilliant efforts put in, especially by the BLOs, the BLO supervisors, the AEROs and EROs, because completing this exercise for the entire district in 1 month was always a very tall exercise. But not only they have completed the exercise, but they have done it in a manner which is as diligent as possible, and simultaneously they have went about the exercise while simultaneously facilitating the electors. The role of GLOs was not to fill the forms. Their role was to distribute the forms and to collect the forms. But then they have went beyond their call of duty. To every household they went, whenever the electors requested for any help in forms, by way of filling the forms, by way of guiding them, they have spent considerable amount of time to handhold each elector so that to ensure that all the apprehensions regarding SIR, all the